Hi guys, got the SQ11 camera shining through the glass door there, or filming through the glass door. It's set up for motion detection. You may have noticed it just flashed. That was the end of the session. So it had triggered on a motion detection and that had filmed for, I don't know, 2.5 minutes or something. Then it switches itself back to detection mode. So if I just come round here so we can see it and walk in front of it, you probably saw it flash. That was going into record mode. So if I just come down here and wave, we should have that recorded. And then we can come back here and wait for, I think it's, well, we'll see. I'll see how long it takes before it flashes again. I read in the instructions that it was 5 minutes, but when I was trying this the other day, it seemed like it was only 2.5 minutes. Anyway, I've just had a question. Does it work through glass? And that's what we're demonstrating here. This is actually a double glazed door, so it's 2 layers of glass, and it works. I did just try it in the dark, and it doesn't detect me in the dark. It needs light, so it's not infrared detecting heat. It must be detecting motion. There you go. That was about 1 minute. We'll just walk in front of it again. So did we trigger it? I didn't seem to trigger it this time. Oh, just triggered it then. So we should be working again now. That's probably long enough. So the answer is yes, it does detect through glass. And I don't think it's, well, I don't know. I've no idea whether it's heat sensing, as in detecting infrared motion. Oh, hang on. Let's turn the light out. Shut the curtain so we are in darkness. Or practically dark. We'll just wait for it to flash again. I could keep talking, I suppose. It lasted for a minute just now. I just find it amazing. People ask a question and think, oh, that'll be interesting, I'll try that out. So you do a video on that and then they come up with another question. So you've got to do another video. Come on camera, flash. There, right, so that's the end of the record session. Walk back round again. Moving the chair out the way so I can wave my hand in front of it. You can't see it, but I am waving my hand in front of it. And it's not triggering. So it's not infrared, it's not detecting the heat of my body. So it must be waiting for actual light. If I turn the light on the camera, it'll probably see that and trigger. Yeah, it did. So it's changing light, not infrared. That'll do. I will download the image that's on there, or the video, and put that up in the corner of the screen here somewhere or other. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.